So guys, a few videos ago, I actually opened my Apple Card using fire, and as you can see, it is very burnt. It's burnt to a crisp, like the paint is just peeling off. I thought it was a good idea. I thought that I could put my Apple Card in fire, have the envelope basically be unboxed with fire, and the card would work. But I kind of overlooked two things. If you unbox a card with fire, the magnetic strip is going to fall off. Like, it literally just melted off. Like, that's just paint or the titanium. That's not the actual strip. And then the EMV chip is, like, it looks fine, but it's a little jacked up. And in the video where I unboxed it with fire, I even tried to use this thing in Walmart. It just did not read it. So I've kind of just been sitting around with this Apple Card for a few weeks now. It's kind of just been useless. And I wanted to get another card. So I did the only thing I knew how to do. I just went on the Apple Wallet app on my phone, chatted in, told them that I lost my card, never got a chance to activate it, and they shipped me off a new one just like that. But I thought it would be interesting to actually be truthful with them and see what they say. So I'm gonna get back on the Apple Wallet app, chat in with them, start the chat as like a lost card, and then just kind of go from there. They're gonna probably hate me, and they're probably not equipped to handle this inquiry, but I want to see what they say. Okay, so I'm gonna say, hello. I recently inquired about replacing an Apple Card because I lost my last one. I've been feeling bad because I didn't lose it. I damaged it purposely. I threw it in a fire to see if the card would still work after the fact, since it's made out of titanium. Little did I know that the fire would make the EMV chip and the magnetic stripe not work anymore. So basically, I'm just inquiring if my account needs to be charged for this last replacement card since I purposely damaged it myself. Thank you. And I know this is a weird question. I'm kind of nervous. Like, here it is. This is what I said. And they transferred me to a representative at Goldman Sachs. My heart is kind of pounding because this is freaking stupid. I'm glad I don't have to talk to someone on the phone. Like, if my phone rings and they want to talk to me, I'm shook. Okay, so while we wait for them to respond, the reason I made this video is because in my last video, I basically just said that I'm tired of making like typical smartphone reviews and tired of doing typical tech reviews. I want to do like interesting and unique stuff like this. So in my future videos, I'm going to focus on just trying to make things that are a little bit different than everybody else. Like, that's going to be my channel's bread and butter type of thing. Obviously, I will not be able to think of crazy stuff like this all the time, but I definitely want to put like my own spin on the content that does come out of this channel. I'm not really going to be doing like panning shots of phones. I'm not going to be doing speed tests. I'm not going to be doing like that typical tech stuff much anymore. I want to do fun stuff like this. So we'll wait to see what they say. They're probably getting their supervisor because they don't even know how to respond to this. Do they know I'm recording the screen? Like, can they see that the screen's recording? See the little red thing up there? Like, that means it's recording. I don't know if they have the capability to know. I would hope not. Let me just reread this just to see if it makes sense to me. Hello, I recently inquired about replacing an Apple Card because I lost my last one. I've been feeling bad because I didn't lose it. I damaged it purposely. I threw it in a fire to see if the card would still work after the fact. since it's make out of titanium. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. Little did I know that the fire would make the EMV chip and magnetic stripe not work anymore. So basically, I'm just inquiring if my account needs to be charged for the last replacement card since I purposely damaged it myself. Thank you, and I know this is a weird question. This is just so random. This is the type of content I want to make, the stuff that just amuses me. Okay, so you know that meme like where it says when you send a risky text and you're waiting for a response? That's how I feel right now. Okay, they responded. Hello, I'd be more than happy to assist you with getting a new card. You will not be charged for ordering a new card under any circumstances. I'll be more than happy to cancel the old physical card for you so that you can go into the Apple Wallet and order a replacement. No, thank you. That card was actually already canceled and my new one is on the way. I just wanted to be 100% sure that I was being honest with you guys, and if I needed to be charged, I wanted to be. They're gonna be like, okay, so if you want to be charged, we're gonna charge you that $100 Apple titanium replacement. I'll be like, okay, bye, I lied. They ain't no fun though. I wanted some like drama in here. Why are they no fun? They typing. Oop, they stopped typing. They're like, oop, I don't know what they doing. Like, this seems weird. They keep typing and stopping because like they probably are so confused. They ain't having it. They're like done with me. They done with me. They don't care. No, thank you. Thank you for making me feel better. Now that I stopped, they're responding more. We're getting personal now. They said, absolutely glad I can make your day better. Thank you for messaging. Please feel free to send a message in the future if you need help with anything else. I do feel better because this is a great demonstration that the customer service aspect on this Apple Card is outstanding. I hate calling places. I hate waiting on hold. Sending just a text message is so 2019, like why talk to people? It's kind of a waste of time. Customer service for this card can probably text people like 10 people at a time, whereas calling, it just takes a lot more manpower. So I love the customer service aspect of this card. We got everything confirmed really quick. They even answered my very like strange question that I may have felt a little awkward asking to a real person on the phone. So, you know, all of us millennials are super awkward on the phone, so that was great there as well. So we're done with that. My conscience has been cleared. I don't owe Apple any money for burning a card. That's actually great customer service because some banks will charge you for like lost cards, if it's damaged like due to your fault, you know, so that's great customer service. And the fact that like this card is made out of mostly titanium, can you hear that? That's ASMR. Ooh, could I shave with an Apple Card? Ow, no. But anyway, the fact that they're just like sending these out to everybody regardless is pretty cool. I would please advise you, do not purposely damage your card like I did, because if everybody starts doing that, they're gonna probably have to spend a lot of money to replace them. Obviously, I'm not the influential person that I'd like to be, so I'm not too concerned about that anyway. But I am glad to be getting my Apple Card in the mail, like a good fresh one. Even though I said that I wouldn't be using it, I'll just use it a few times. That way Apple can rack up some income from my purchases, and then that way I'll feel 100% better about wasting the customer services person's time and Apple and Goldman Sachs time on dealing with this monstrosity. All right, guys, that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this random video. I'll put 2 more to watch right there. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.